best free PC games. Level up your gaming experience for less than you'd pay at the cinema. The world of free-to-play games has changed, with so many incredible options now available. Here are the top free PC games to keep you entertained for hours on come what may, shoot 'em up fan, or high strategy city builder. The F2P model has come a long way, ensuring that gamers enjoy fun experiences without a hefty demand for subscription charges or purchases. You've got something from this curated list as a casual player or a hardcore gamer. Enlisted, a historical shooter with pride in the period-accurate weapons and equipment. Lead your squad of AI soldiers through some of the most famous campaigns of World War II, utilizing distinct skill sets to unlock new vehicles and equipment. World of Tanks. World of Tanks is a tank simulator with complex game mechanics. Participate in deathmatch scenarios with hundreds of vehicles to unlock across 10 different tiers. Wargaming's F2P hit has something for every tank enthusiast, from speedy scouts to hulking heavies. War Thunder. War Thunder is huge. Multiplayer World War II combat game that captures everything there is to this explosion and excitement about flying planes and tanks. You can jump into either realism or accessibility. Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact is an open-world adventure with amazing visuals and loads of resources to gather, craft, and cook. Explore a massive world, battle monsters, and unlock new characters. Honkai Star Rail. Honkai Star Rail is a turn-based RPG with an interstellar universe. Build your eclectic team and confront monstrous armies and engage in interaction with the environment to solve puzzles. League of Legends. League of Legends is a competitive multiplayer online battle arena that often updates with big player numbers. Different champions with plenty of choices and engage in strategic team-based battles with the opponents. Fortnite. Fortnite is a battle royale game that stands out for its creative building possibilities and exciting combinations of action and strategy. Land on the island, plunder the loot, and be outlasted by your opponent. Apex Legends. It's a hyper-competitive battle royale game that has innovative respawning mechanics and various playable legends. Engage in such blood-curdling combat and strategic team play. Other notable F2P games include Mech Arena, which is a mech-based shooter, Forge of Empires, a historical city-building game, Neverwinter, a free-to-play massively multiplayer online role-playing game, Path of Exile, an action RPG with deep character customization, and Rocket League, a physics-based sports game.